What is going on, guys? It is Dylan here. Today I will be bringing you a technical analysis on the ticker symbol ZOM, Zomedica Corporation. Before we get into it, I just want to let you guys know that I am bullish on the company. I have been a long time believer in Zomedica because of their truforma system, as they teased for months before they dropped it, which it is released now. It does cut the middleman out the whole process with scanning adrenal and thyroid diseases. It really is a very good innovative product that simply beats the rest. Yeah, all the competitors that have scanning machines like that, it takes at least 3 days, but then it takes around a week process just to even get the results. So Zomedica definitely blows them out of the water. But with that being said, you can tell I am bullish on Zomedica, but we will go into the technical analysis right now. So we're going to head over to the daily. Can see that all the supports and resistances are right here. 91 cents, $1.17, $1.48, $1.69 are all these supports. Keep an eye on all those. Keep an eye on all those. Along the $1.94 mark, which is resistance, and the $2.26 along the $2.63. Keep an eye on all those. We will run over the indicators. You do see that we are in a death cross on the MACD that is bearish. It's not good that we had selling pressure, a lot of selling pressure, and then it kind of it was looking like we were about to get a golden cross on the MACD, like we're about to get some buying pressure, but then we head faked right back into more selling pressure. So we do want to see those bars get smaller. The RSI is at 44. In a downwards trend currently, so that isn't what you like to see. You want to see your stocks in the 50 to 70 range, and the volume has taken a hit, obviously, after the big news has dropped. But I think you can get more information on the hourly, so we will head over to that. You do see that we are in a trend of lower highs right here, lower lows, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Let me delete that. But basically, we've been setting lower lows and lower highs, and that is the definition of a downtrend. But that has been broken right here, as we did get on this low right here. Bam, we set a higher high. This was the last high. Or you can say the high is right here, and we definitely beat the last high. And then we set a lower low. So the higher low, lower highs, higher low. It's such a tongue twister, guys. Sorry about that, but we have broken that trend. So we are in the trend of higher highs and higher lows, as we did set one right here, a higher low, and a higher high. So we need to capitalize off this, but you do see, if you know a few things about trading, that I do have a bear flag marked up. This is pretty picture perfect, not gonna lie, guys. The only positives that I could see within this is that we are setting higher highs and higher lows. So keep an eye on that. If we do get a big wide bar break off this, then it might not be a surprise to why. You could say that the trend line might be right here or so, but regardless, you do see a flag pull downwards and then an upwards channel. So that is a bearish flag. We don't want to see that break if you're in this. But bears, that is kind of good news for you, so keep an eye on that. We are at 48 on the RSI in an upwards trend, which I do like being in an upwards trend. I've seen a nice bounce, obviously, but we just got to see how long it will last, and we do want volume confirmation. The volume hasn't been nothing too crazy, and so that kind of has correlated with the share price, in my opinion. Supply and demand, it's simple. So yeah, this is everything I really got to say about the ticker symbol ZOM, Zomedica. If you're in it, watch key levels. Be sure to average down on key levels if you want to maintain your position. I think if you want to maximize your position, you might want to keep an eye on this bear flag. And we are in a death cross as well. So if we do regain this golden cross and we get the red over the green, and we can get above this green line, more importantly, that will be bullish, and that will change my outlook on the stock right now. But to be honest, there is nothing too crazy on the charts. I scream for the bulls. So yeah, I want to make this video to you. I'm glad I can get it out completely non-biased. Appreciate you guys so much for checking in. If you like, please subscribe, all of that. We're going all out every single day. Appreciate you guys so much, and I'm out. Peace.